Monkey bread is a very simple and inexpensive finger food, easy for anyone to make. Here's what you'll need. 4 6-ounce cans of biscuit dough, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 stick butter. Materials to prepare the dish include 1 gallon plastic bag, 1 medium-sized saucepan, 1 bundt pan, 1 pizza cutter and cutting board, and pan. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Step 2. Open biscuit dough and place on cutting board. Step 3. Cut biscuits into quarters. Here's a helpful hint. Align the biscuits into rows to help with cutting. Step 4. Pour sugar and cinnamon into gallon bags, then shake to mix. Now add biscuits and shake well. Step 5. Coat the inside of the bundt pan with Pam. Step 6. Add half of your monkey pinches to the bundt pan. Step 7. Add the stick of butter and cup of brown sugar to saucepan. Heat until melted and boil for 1 minute. Step 8. After boiling, add half of syrup to bundt pan. Pour over biscuit biddles. Step 9. Add remaining monkey pinches to pan and pour remaining syrup over them. Step 10. Bake monkey bread for 35 to 40 minutes. Step 11. Remove monkey bread from oven and allow to cool for 10 minutes. Step 12. Dump onto plate and enjoy with friends.